In this video, I'm sharing 3 digital products you can create and sell using completely free AI tools. Some of the products we will talk today can make you as much as $29,000 or more every single month, and the best part is that because we are using AI, most of the work will be done for you. But before we start, be sure that you hit that subscribe button for more videos like this. So the first digital product you can sell is clip art, and I recently come across this Etsy shop who has nearly 75,000 reviews. 75,000 by $3, it's $225,000 in total, primarily selling clip art. I mean, is that not insane to you? When I first saw how much money you could make doing this, I began questioning my own YouTube career, and the craziest part about all of this is that you can use completely AI tools to help you generate this clip art, and then you go and sell on Etsy to get a piece of this multi-million-dollar market, and we will do this by using a completely free AI called MidJoureny. MidJoureny is a text-to-image generator that lets you convert simple descriptions into images like you see here. And we are going to use this AI to start creating an unlimited number of clip art designs that you can start selling. Before we actually start using MidJoureny, we first have to come up with some ideas for clip art, and conveniently enough, we can also use AI for this as well. So we will just go to Chat GPT and simply ask the AI to give me ideas for clip art, and instantly the AI will begin typing out ideas. We can then take these ideas over to MidJoureny and type in prompts that include the word clip art in them, and the AI will begin generating unique clip art. And for example, if I type dog with hat clip art, you will see that in a matter of just seconds MidJoureny will generate this irresistibly cute puppy clip art, and then what you will do is just upscale any of these images that you want to sell as clip art. Now this is only scratching the surface of how to sell this product. If you want me to make a much more detailed and dedicated video about how to sell, be sure to comment down below so that I know that you are interested. If you want to sell digital products that already have a huge market with 6, even 7-figure potential, keep watching, because some of these next products are incredibly easy to make but are still highly profitable. Next thing that we can sell is digital paper. I know it sounds unusual. What is digital paper anyway, and why would anyone buy it at all? Well, digital paper refers to a type of digital product that mimics the appearance and texture of traditional paper. It is typically used for creating digital artwork, designs, notes, or documents that have a paper-like feel. Digital paper is often used by artists, designers, and creators who want to work digitally while maintaining the tactile experience of using physical paper. And the market for this product might seem very small and niche. There are sellers making hundreds of thousands, sometimes even millions of dollars by selling this product, and just every product in this video we are going to use AI to help us create this digital paper. So I'm back to MidJoureny. We are going to make a prompt something just like this, but making sure to add in the word seamless pattern at the end, and when we do that, AI will generate something like this. We can then take these patterns into Photoshop alternative called Photopea. Place them side by side, and AI did truly create a seamless pattern, and it is literally that simple. Now let's talk about next digital product, which wedding stationery. Wedding stationery refers to a variety of printed materials and items that are used in the context of weddings. These can include invitations, save-the-date cards, RSVP cards, wedding programs, place cards, table numbers, menus, thank you cards, and more. Wedding stationery is an important aspect of wedding planning, as it sets the tone and theme for the event while also providing practical information to guests. All of these products are digital downloads, which means people buy these templates to then print out for themselves. If you look at this seller on Etsy, he has 17,700 reviews, $9.6, that's a total of $170,000. Now, if that does not shock you, what will shock you is how simple these invitations are to create with AI. Back on MidJoureny, and we will ask AI to create wedding invitation template, and the results that it gives me are truly extraordinary. Now you may notice that these generated wedding invitations have text, and we can't sell them like this because people need to be able to put their names on it, so we will take this wedding invitations in free Photoshop alternative called Photopea. We need to select a text that we want to remove, and the software will automatically fill in the text with the color of the background so that you have a blank slate. Now when we have blank slate wedding invitation, we can take out to Canva, which is completely free, and use Canva's free fonts to add text boxes back into the template. Let your creativity become the source of your income because the possibilities are unlimited and the inspiration is endless. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.